Morning guys, today we've got a BMW GS at the shop. It's here for a full paint decontamination. As you can see, this bike is matte, so we're going to apply our pre-cut PPF, but in matte, to give it full coverage and full protection.
Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me. Yeah. Big time, big time, big time.
The GS is done. As I said before, this bike comes with matte paint, so we applied our matte PPF. For you guys new to the channel, PPF is paint protection film. Why would you apply it? To protect your bike or your car against stone chips, road rash. In this case of this bike, even maybe a small tip over, it should be protected. Our PPF is also self-healing and it comes with a lifetime warranty. If you guys like this video and want to see more, we've got new videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. Please subscribe, share it, like it and comment.